Hello student, today we are going to study about one of the principle of management, unity of direction given by Mr. Henry Ford. Students, I have divided it into four parts, 4 points. One is one unit means one plan. Every unit should have only one plan. No many or more than one plan. This is the violation of unity of direction. If you provide more than one plan to a unit, then this is violation of unity of direction. Efforts of all members and employees of organization must be directed towards one direction. It meant to say if you provide only one plan, then all the efforts should be directed towards one direction. It is very easy. Each department and group having common objective must have one head and one plan. Each department having a common objective should have only one head. If you provide too many heads, then they will confuse the employees. If this principle is applied, it leads to coordination. If you apply this principle of management, then it means you are doing coordination. To better understand, I am giving you an example. Suppose a company named ABC Limited is manufacturing three types of product. One is medicine, another is confectionery, and third one is cosmetic. Each type of product have a separate market segment and environment. Now, confectionery, medicine, and cosmetic. Three products are there, and the employees of organization have to achieve the target of confectionery as well as medicine as well as cosmetic. Sometimes they have to focus on confectionery, sometimes they have to focus on medicine, sometimes they have to focus on cosmetic, and each product have a separate market segment and environment. This creates too much overlapping and too much confusion among the employees. They are facing difficulties because the head of confectionery says that they should focus on confectionery, and head of medicine focus that they should focus on medicine, and so on with cosmetic. Now, CEO of the organization realized this problem and divided the organization into divisions as per production and product. Now, there are three divisions in organization. One is confectionery division, another is medicine division, and third one is cosmetic division. The medicine division, now the head of medicine division give an objective to its employees, and the employees of medicine division knows their objective and working towards one common objective, working towards one direction. This is the theme of unity of direction. If you apply this unity of direction, then you the positive effect of this direction will be, the positive effect of this principle will be achievement of organizational goal. You will achieve very easily organizational goal. efforts of all the employees get unified towards one direction. Now, the efforts of medicine division employees get unified towards one direction to achieve the target of medicine division. Consequences of violation. What will negative if you don't apply this unity of direction? Lack of coordination. There will be no coordination. Wastage of efforts and resources of working in different directions. Before divisions as per the product and production, in organization all the employees were doing their efforts, but all the efforts became waste. Difficulty in achieving organizational goal. Before this, the organization had to face too much overlapping and confusion, which leads difficulty in achieving the organizational goal. Now there is no difficulty. Students, if you like this presentation and study material, then please like and share. Thank you.